Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Smooth English Talks. I hope you are happy. I hope you are doing well. Today, we will learn a very useful topic. The topic is about myself. Many people ask, "Can you tell me about yourself?" This is a very common question. People ask this question at school. People ask this question at college. People ask this question at work. People also ask this question when they meet someone new. Many English learners feel afraid. They do not know what to say. They stop speaking. They forget easy words. But do not worry. Today, we will learn together. The words are easy. The sentences are short. Everyone can learn them. Please listen carefully. Please repeat after me. Let's begin.
Hello. My name is David. You can call me David. I am happy to meet you. Nice to meet you. Thank you for listening. My age. I am 24 years old. I am young. I am healthy. I am happy. My country. I am from India. India is my country. I love my country. It is a beautiful country. Many kind people live here. I am proud of my country. My home. I live in a small town. My town is quiet. It is clean. The people are friendly. I like my town. It is my home. I feel happy here.
My family. I have a family. My family is small. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister, and me. My father is kind. He works hard. My mother is caring. She helps everyone. My sister is friendly. She makes me smile. We love each other. We spend time together. I love my family very much. My study. I am a student. I go to college. I study every day. I like learning. My favorite subject is English. English is interesting. I enjoy my classes. I always try my best.
My English. I am learning English. I practice every day. I read English books. I watch English videos. I listen to English. I speak English. Sometimes I make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes help me learn. Every day I become better. My hobbies. I have many hobbies. I like reading books. I like listening to music. I like walking. I like watching English lessons. I like learning new words. Learning makes me happy. My daily life. I wake up early. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Then I study. I work hard. I help my family. I practice English. I read a book. I sleep early. This is my daily life.
My dream. I have a dream. Everyone has a dream. A dream gives us hope. A dream gives us a reason to work. My dream is simple. I want to speak English well. I want to speak English every day. I want to speak with confidence. I want to speak without fear. I want to use easy English. I want to use clear words. I want to understand English better. I want to learn new words every day. I want to read English books. I want to watch English videos. I want to listen to English every day. I want to write in English. I want to speak with people from many countries. I want to make new friends. I want to travel one day. English will help me. I want to help other people learn English. I want to teach simple English. I want to make learning easy. I want to make learning fun. I want to help beginners. I want to help students. I want to help anyone who wants to learn. I know learning takes time. I know learning needs practice. I practice every day. I never stop learning. I never stop trying. Sometimes I make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes help me learn. Every mistake teaches me something new. I do not lose hope. I do not give up. I believe in myself. I believe in hard work.
I believe practice is the key. Every day I become a little better. Every day I learn something new. One small step is enough. Small steps bring big success. I will keep learning. I will keep speaking. I will keep smiling. I will follow my dream. One day my dream will come true. My personality. Now let me tell you about my personality. I am kind. I am honest. I am friendly. I am helpful. I am polite. I like to smile. I respect everyone. I try to be a good person. I like to help my family. I like to help my friends. I enjoy meeting new people. I enjoy learning from others. I listen carefully. I speak politely. I always try to tell the truth. I like peace. I do not like fighting. I stay calm. I try to think in a positive way. I like happy people. I enjoy simple things. I like to say thank you. I like to say please. I like to be kind to everyone. I believe kindness is important. I believe respect is important. I try to be patient. I try to learn from my mistakes. Every day I try to become a better person. I know I am not perfect, but I keep improving.
I keep learning. I keep growing. That is my personality. Ending. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope this lesson was helpful. Now you know how to talk about yourself. It is your turn now. Please tell us about yourself. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not be afraid. Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Practice every day. Practice a little every day. Read English every day. Listen to English every day. Speak English every day. Believe in yourself. Never give up. Keep speaking. Keep learning. Keep smiling. Success will come one day. You can do it. I believe in you. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. More easy English lessons are coming soon. Keep learning with smooth English talks. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.